If you're thinking about downloading the Deepstash app, you're probably asking one question. Is it actually worth your time, or is it just another app that overpromises and underdelivers? After looking into Deepstash, I found that it's designed for people who enjoy learning in short bursts. Instead of reading long books or articles, you get bite-sized ideas from topics like productivity, psychology, business, self-improvement, and technology. That makes it easy to learn something new, even if you only have a few minutes. The app has a clean layout and it's very simple to use. You can save ideas, organize them into collections, and come back to them later. I also like that it recommends content based on your interests, so your feed becomes more useful over time. But it's not perfect. Some of the best features are locked behind a premium subscription. If you're only using the free version, you'll eventually run into limits. Also, because the content is summarized, you won't get the same depth you'd find in a full book or detailed article. Think of it as a starting point, not a replacement for deeper learning. So, is Deepstash a scam? From everything I found, no. It appears to be a legitimate app with millions of users and positive reviews. It delivers exactly what it promises: quick, easy to digest knowledge.